strong.
Welcome back to Triple D TV. Welcome to all my viewers and subscribers to Triple D TV. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, man, where are we at, man? Go and smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so when I upload any video, you're the first to see, man. Welcome again to all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Triple D TV. Today, another episode of my DIY project. I will be installing the right side sun visor on the 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. So stay tuned. Let me show you how to install it so you could save yourself some money. I was on the dealer website and it was $150.30 for the sun visor, and I went on eBay and I got it for $31.50. You see the difference? You know, Triple D is a eBay guy, hardman style. So stay tuned for another episode of my DIY project. I see you in a bit. Welcome back to Triple D TV. And welcome to my DIY project, how to install the right side sun visor on the 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. All you will need is a 7mm socket and obviously your visor right here. The visor, as I said before, the dealer, I saw on the dealer website, the visor is $150.30, and I get it on eBay. I think it's $31.50, and you know, because this one is broken, and all you got to do is expose these two clips right here. They had a little clip covering over it, and that's where your two screws are, and you use your 7mm socket to remove those two nuts right there, those two screws right here on Triple D TV Yardman style. So you could save yourself $150 just for parts only. So check it out. See you in a bit. I will try to use my two hands to replace them. All right, see you. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to attempt, Triple D is going to attempt to take it off with his one hand. Just loosen up these screws right here. Using your 7mm socket. One screw is down. It's in the container right there. We'll attempt to take off the second screw. Again, it's $150.30 on the dealer website for this little visor. eBay, $31.50. And number screw is down, and I just twist. And it's out. Just simple as 1, 2, 3. Yeah, man, Triple D is still there, yardman style. All that work trying to hook up wifey with her new visor. This is her new sun visor. It comes with a light on it, but my wife phone doesn't have a light, so you don't need to use this. You could just hide it inside here, tuck it inside here. That's where the harness plug would be, but we don't need it. To catch it for me. Then I'll try to attempt sketch your screws. One screw on, live and direct on Triple D TV. Try to catch a second screw, make my wifey happy. And it's up, ready to be working. See that, my viewers and subscribers? Now it can stay up. The other one wasn't staying up. So my wife, you can see when she's trying to glance this side. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Like that. So, as I said before, my viewers and subscribers, for anyone out there who have a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder and you want to save yourself a couple dollars in installing the sun visor, it's not, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to install it. Triple D said so, Yardman style. On the dealer website, it's $150.30. And I got it on eBay for $31.50. I mean, imagine that big saving that I saved. So, man, if you don't have a Nissan Pathfinder, you know someone has a 2000 Nissan Pathfinder and they have the similar trouble, just watch this video. Just share this video with them so that they can save themselves some money. Yardman style, Triple D style. And remember to like, share, comment on Triple D video. Again, I say to like, comment, share this video. I'm just trying to help someone save some money. And remember, man, Triple D says so. You see this on Triple D TV. And as I said before, your attitude will determine the altitude. So take care, my viewers and subscribers. And again, a special thank you to Daniel Rodriguez, who, because of one of my review, influenced him to purchase the Conway KW208 battery tester. Thank you again, Daniel Rodriguez. I really appreciate it. And you guys, see you in my next DUI project right here on Triple D TV. I am out. See you guys. Another job well done. Triple D's out. Love you.